Hey guys, welcome to the overview of the ChatGPT prompt template. Inside you will have 11 different kinds of prompts that you can work with, that you can implement inside of your own system. And these prompts are really designed to be able to help you set up AI specific sections inside of your chatbot within just a few seconds basically, because all the hard work has already been done for you. Basically the prompts that I want to show you today are the appointment prompts. Those are the three prompts, basically 1, 2, and 3. Those are the prompts that I want to show you because those are the most difficult to explain. The rest are pretty self-explanatory, so I just want to ensure that you have the proper knowledge in how to use those appointment booking settings. So what I did is I have a general appointment booking prompt. I have one for real estate and I have one for taxi, right? And those were a few requested by my CMA members, and I'm also going to allow you guys to also have this access towards those specific prompts. So basically what ChatGPT does, if we take a closer look, is we are going to ask for certain parameters inside the prompt. ChatGPT is going to take a look at what parameters have been already captured, right? And then ask remaining parameters. Once that is done, what we're going to do is we are going with this setup where we are going to reformat the basically the output that we get back as soon as we captured all the different kinds of prompts, and then be able to formulate and give the user the overview of the specific booking appointment. So if we take a look at the general booking, let's just preview this. So let's say I want to make an appointment, right? Then ChatGPT will take a look what parameters are already captured. If nothing, then it's going to ask questions one by one. So first of all, can you please tell me the date for your appointment? Let's say November 20. Then it should ask me for a specific time, my time preference. So let's say, for example, 2 p.m. Now it should capture one more detail. Lastly, could you provide the details about your appointment? Let's say discussion, new project, collaboration, something like that, right? Just for demo purposes, let's see what we get. So if all goes well, we should get a nice looking output now. So if we're going to take a look, then ChatGPT is going to reformulate everything. And as you can see, so to confirm your appointment, name is guest, because I'm on web chat and did not set my specific name, right? Date, November 20, time 2 p.m. Details of the appointment, discussion, new project, collaboration. So everything is basically handled within these few nodes. So 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes, and then we will get the output. The same is with the real estate booking. And if we take a look inside the prompt, by the way, you will see that we have a few parameters that we're going to ask and capture, right? Make sure you have all the information in order to confirm the appointment. This will be the date, time, details about the appointment. So the date, time, and details. If we are going to take a look at the prompt for real estate, you will see that we have, this will be the name, the date, the time, and whether their appointment is related towards buying or selling a property, right? So a little bit different. And then we get a certain output. So let's test this one as well. So let's just preview it. So let's give a little bit more information. Let's say I want to make an appointment on, let's say December 10 at 2 p.m. to sell my property. So basically I pretty much gave all the specific parameters already. So let's see if ChatGPT is going to ask for a little bit more. And as you can see, that's great guess. Just to confirm, your appointment is about selling a property, correct? So again, yes, we're going to say, okay, correct. And now, just like with the other one, the appointment details will be formatted, and now it will be nicely output again. So let's take a look. Should only take a few seconds, and there we have it. So guest, the date, 2 p.m., and then type of appointment, selling. Pretty cool, right? The last prompt that I want to show you is that of the taxi. And if we take a look inside, we are going to ask for the date, the time, where the customer needs to be picked up, and where they need to go, right? So those are the parameters that we want to capture. So if we're going to take a look here, let's go inside the preview, and let's say I want to book a taxi. So let's say book a taxi for today at 11 a.m. Now it should ask, where does the user need to be picked up? As you can see, could you please tell me where you need to be picked up from? So let's say something like somewhere lane 12. And then let's say go there, avenue 1, 2, 3, 4. And now everything should be nicely formatted again to be displayed towards the user. So let's take a look if that also is going to happen. And as you can see, name, guest, date today, time 11 a.m., pickup address somewhere land 12, and go to address is go there, Avenue 1234. So these are the appointment booking, basically the appointment booking flows and prompts. You can adjust them towards your own needs. So if you need additional parameters, just add them towards the prompt in the same way it's already been done, right? Then we also have a small talk prompt. And if we take a look inside, we have a few guidelines, but to allow good small talk, this is something that you can do. And this is what this prompt is specifically for. Then we have a little bit more fun, so a pirate tone of voice prompt, right? And we also have a call to action prompt. So what this means is you can just replace the values in between those brackets. And if we take a look inside, you will see you're a business representative in charge of replying to the user's questions and helping them according to the below business information. Then insert your business information here. You can either do that by basically static content, or you can use bot fields, right, to be able to display it. Then you will also have an insert call to action here. So for example, schedule a free coaching call, right? So that is also possible. So that is regarding the business prompt and the call to action prompt. Then we also have another fun prompt for a tone of voice, right? So this is from a poet. So if we're going to test this real quick, what are you up to? If we say test the request, then you'll see that you will get a nice response. So, oh dear user, I'm here to say, I'm up spreading joy your way. As a poet, I'm here to rhyme and make your day a splendid time, right? So a really fun way to provide some extra fun value inside of your chatbot. And maybe for, let's say, book clubs and stuff like that, chatbots, then this is the perfect way to address users. Then we also have this one, so a seasonal Christmas tone of voice prompt. We will also have a social media manager prompt. All have been explained properly inside the actions, but do let me know if you have any specific details that you need to be explained to, and I will get back to that. We also have a content creation prompt and a real good image AI prompt generator, right? So sometimes for AI images, you will need to have a proper, basically a proper prompt to come up with the best possible image, and this image AI prompt generator will do that for you. So these are the prompts inside this ChatGPT prompt template. And again, if you have any questions, do let me know, and I will try to reply to them as soon as possible. For now, try them out, have some fun, implement them inside of your own chatbots, or just do some testing. And for now, have a great day, take care, and talk soon.